You are using rupee symbol frequently, so how you can assign the key in MS Word? For this you need to press on the insert, and on the right side you need to click on the symbol and click on the more symbols, and in the found section you need to select norm tags, and in the subset you need to select currency symbols. So here is the rupee symbol. You just need to click on that and click insert close, and here is the rupee symbol is inserted. In the second method you need to press alt key and hold it, and on the numeric side keypad you need to type 8377 and release the alt key. Make sure your numlock should be on. So here is the rupee symbol is inserted. In the third method, you can assign a shortcut key. So for this you need to click on insert and click on the symbols and click on the more symbols. And here is the shortcut key. You need to click on that, and you can see that there is a rupee symbol. For this you need to select the rupee symbol from here under the currency symbols. So click on shortcut key, and then this will be appeared on the command view, and here you can assign any key. For example, I am selecting alt plus R, and here is the shortcut key. You need to assign it. Click on assign and click on close and close. Now press alt plus R, the rupee symbol will be inserted. So this shortcut key is beneficial for those who frequently use this rupee symbol. So with these three methods you can easily type rupee symbol in keyboard in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.